that
I wish he
direction,
would have grabbed
straight
her.
to his thing.
Yeah, so let's go to the dealership next.
So we thought somebody picked her up in a car, but now it turns out that someone hasn't.
Well, no, we don't know.
So
No, she's talking to the vlog. He
Oh,
actually
sorry.
thinks that someone picked her up because she ran diagonally and both sides of the traffic stopped. And
Oh,
then when
wow.
the traffic continued, he didn't see her anymore. So that's what makes him think that one of the cars that stopped actually grabbed her to
Because
save
she
her.
was all scared, so sure
Yeah.
she would have let them scoop her up.
yesterday afternoon, when they dropped off the two older kids to my brother at his apartment, it was very crazy and everything, and so they accidentally locked Paris out of the apartment. She was still outside while everyone went inside, and so she ran down the road and everything. So now we're posting flyers everywhere, and we're going everywhere where we think that she might be. So.
We have to, yeah. We will. This is the second place we've come. My son's apartment is right there. I was telling him that we were looking for a dog, a Yorkie with a pink shirt on, and that the auto body guy said he saw her cross the street, and he said, let me look at it. And I showed him, and he looked at it and read it, and he says, I have her.
Oh my God!
He has her. She's alive, and he has her.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my God. I said,
Where is she? Where is
I said,
she?
can we have her? And he says, yes, yes. And Adam says, we'll give you a reward.
Wow! So happy.
Oh my God. Adam, I'm going to put my mask on.
Where are we? Where are we right now? We're at Auto Body Shop?
No, we're at the car dealership where Daniel... somebody already helped me.
Okay, good.
Oh my God. Somebody over here, one of the guys, I don't know which one. Right here. Thank you so much.
Oh, amazing. I'm so happy.
You work here too?
Yes, here.
Like, God, man.
Everything okay?
I almost want to cry. Like,
No, you know.
Okay, because my son Daniel got a car from over here.
he bought a car from you.
He said that the owner of the shop, my son used to cut his hair, and so he got a car from here. And so I thought maybe you were the owner or something, but so yeah. Oh my God, thank you so
Holy
much.
cow, I got
I've been
praying so
He gave her a
hard.
bath.
I gave her a bath.
Aw, thank you. I appreciate it so
To
much.
show her the picture? Oh, yeah, you took a picture of it.
So that we need to
Oh, I'm
go to
gonna,
the
yeah.
bank and do
Go to the ATM when I come to your house, man.
It's okay.
Aw, yes.
Take care of it.
Thank you so much.
She was
She's on
like,
Salesforce.
Aw. And she
Awesome.
just had surgery and got like 4 or 5 teeth pulled out.
She's 12 years old.
And she's and I've been posting.
but that's the
that's
dog, right?
her. Yeah.
Yeah, this is
That's
her collar.
That's her collar.
That's definitely her collar. It's
And she
worn
had
out
a
and
pink
everything.
shirt with little. She had a pink shirt. I just took this
Little
yesterday
hearts.
with little hearts on it.
Just kidding.
Is that what you want?
No, I don't know.
No, I know you
I love animals and
So
for me,
glad.
for me it was hard to see her. It was running crazy and in the
Aw,
middle of the street.
Thank you so much.
But, give me your address.
I'm like,
phone
is that,
number.
you
Let
want
me-
500?
Let me,
I'll give you
let
500.
me grab my phone real quick.
So what are you grabbing? Our phone number?
I'm gonna
Oh my God, I'm shaking.
you excited?
I've been crying and I've
You
been...
want me to, I don't think my mom is there. I can tell her to bring her. Or can you pick her up because
Yeah,
I get off at
we can
7.
pick her up.
I get off at 7.
Yeah. I was up till 4 in the morning posting all over Facebook, and then I woke up at 7. So I've only gotten 3 hours.
And I was like, I wish there is like a name. You can come this
Yeah.
way. Come on, not on Sunday.
Patrol, okay?
Yeah, Paris? Is that what you said? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I was like, yes, what is her name?
Yeah. And she has a lot of issues because we rescued her like 10 years ago. I'll just we rescued her like 10 years ago, and she was beat up a lot. But people used to feed her. So now when she eats, I don't know if you fed her, but when she eats, she'll go to the dish and she'll back away. And she'll get, she'll back away. She gets, or she'll go like this to the dish and try to knock the food out because she's scared of the dish.
We got her.
Yeah.
She came from a puppy milk.
Yeah. So I don't know if I don't know.
We found Paris, Petrova. Yay! Someone picked her up here, so we're gonna go to their house later tonight and pick her up.
Yay!
Yay! So happy! Yay!
I want to take her again, and now we're freaking sit there now.
I know. It's so happy.
But where's she go?
Grandma is so happy. You know how sometimes Grandma said yesterday, sometimes people cry when they're happy and when they're sad. Grandma's crying because she's very, very happy. Yay! Gonna give her a hug and a kiss.
Yep.
The man, I don't know if you all could hear, but the man said that when he picked her up.
I can see her.
Oh, hold on, Petrova, I'm talking. He said that he loves animals and that when he saw her, he had to pick her up. And he said he gave her a bath when he got her and stuff. So he looks so sweet. So, yay! Thank goodness.
Where's she go?
Grandma's coming. Grandma is getting the address to go get Paris at the guy's house. Yay.
Aren't you fine?
This was only our
I'm so
second
happy for
stop.
you.
Oh my God, thank you. I'm so happy. Oh my God. I am never letting her out of my freaking sight again.
A leash.
Baby,
No matter where we go.
Found her.
No matter where we go, she goes on a leash.
Oh my God.
She clapped and she said, "Yay, yay!" She was so excited when I first
Baby,
told
let's
her.
go. I mean, let's go. I want to go tell Cassidy that she was right. Cassidy's, look, he said, is this her collar?
Yeah.
He bathed her and everything.
I know.
And
Let her sleep with him because she's scared.
She slept with him. And I said, was she letting you pet her and stuff? He says, yeah, but she was shaking really bad the whole night. So he said she stopped traffic just like the auto body guy said. Let's go to the auto body guy first too and tell him that we found her. And he said she stopped traffic and then she took off running and he said she was fast. But I'm faster. He said I'm fast too. So he said if she was just about to stop traffic over there again, but I scooped her up. But she was really scared. He
got her down by the Valero station.
He got her all the way down by the Valero. I want to see how far that is.
When you came to me, when you came to
I'm
the
so
car,
glad I went and I thought, no, they're looking at us kind of weird. And they turned away from us as we were coming. Like he probably said, I wonder if they're coming for the dog or something.
when you first came to me to the car, I thought you were gonna say that they found her on the road, like squished or something.
I wondered if you were going to think that
Yeah,
because
I did.
was crying. I was crying out of so much joy.
Yay!
He said, oh, reward, 500, huh? I said, is that what you want? Do you want 500? I'll give you 500.
I got it all on camera.
Babe, I don't even care if we do have to give 500. I'll give everything I have.
We stopped by the auto body shop first, so they're gonna go tell the guy to not worry about it because we found her. So that's what's happening right now.
There told us that she ran this way, and he saw a dog with a pink shirt, and he said, let me see. He saw that I had the paper, and he went like this, Vanessa. He read it for like a long
Probably
time.
decided, should I give her or
Well,
not?
no, what I was thinking, he's thinking, I wanted to keep her. Should I tell her I have it or should I not tell her? It took him a long time. I would say like a good 30 seconds. And he looked up and he says, I have her. And I said, wait, what? Did you say you have her? He goes, yes, I have her. And I just immediately started crying. I said, oh my God, thank you so much.
Maybe
And then I said, can we have her back? He goes, yes. And then Adam said, we'll give you a reward.
Yeah.
That might be what he was looking at. That might be what made him decide that yes, I have her. I need money right now.
And then he said, I don't want a reward. I love animals.
Well, let's see.
Everyone wants a reward.
Wait, don't stop. Where? I don't have her yet.
The guy at the car dealership.
I don't have her. Listen, just let me tell them. We're gonna come back at 7 across the street at the dealership and follow him to his house. So let me tell you the story. Oh my God, I just ended up telling it on the blog, but I came to the car crying, and Vanessa thought that it was because they found her dead or something.
Daddy.
But anyway, we're talking to the guy. There's like 4 or 5 guys over there, and they saw us walking to them, and I could see them talking to each other, and I'm thinking, something's weird. And so anyway, I'm standing there and I said, yeah, we're just asking about a little dog. I said, wearing a pink shirt. The guy at the auto body place over here said that he saw her run across the street and run that way, stop traffic. He goes, let me see your paper. And when he did this, he went like this. I'm literally saying he looked at it for like 30 seconds. Like he was thinking, do I want to give it back? He was like this. I have her. And I said, did you say you have her? He goes, I have her. And I just like started crying. And I said, can we have her back? He goes, yes. And then Adam says, we'll give you a reward. And I said, oh my God, bless you, thank you so much. And I was crying, walking to the car, and my face was like ugly crying. And so Finesse thought that they had found her dead. I said, no, babe, they found her. We're gonna get her at 7. Oh my, and right away I thought of you, babe.
Cassidy said she had stopped traffic, and this guy, the auto body guy, saw it on the traffic stop. But this guy saw it.
Cassidy kept on saying, you're gonna get her back. Cassidy had faith that she was gonna find her, so.
She was gonna stop traffic again. She was just running around freaked out, and he hauled butt and got her and scooped her up.
Yeah, he said she was, how far is the Valero? She was as far as the Valero.
It's like a block further down.
Right there by the Sonic, it's far. Wow. He said that she was about to cause she had caused almost a collision because she stopped traffic, got back on the sidewalk, took off running, trying to go to your house. And he said that she was just about to stop traffic again. He goes, and I had to follow her all the way to Valero, and I scooped her up. But oh my God, we gotta call Daniel. I'm gonna call him. I gotta call him. Even if he's cutting hair, hopefully he'll answer it. What do I do with his number? How do I do this?
It's 982.
No.
You may not.
Oh my God. And I've been thinking this whole time, she's only got like 5 or 6 more years to be alive, and I lose her right then, you know? Oh my God. He even bathed her and slept with her.
She was
And
shaking
I said,
all night
how was
from
she
the
during the
rain.
storm? The car mechanic dealership across the street from you has her, and we're gonna go back to the dealership at 7 tonight and follow him to his house. I asked him, I said, are you the owner? Because my son Daniel says that he's cut the owner's hair. He goes, no, I'm not the owner. I said, oh, okay. I said, my son's Daniel, he lives right there. He goes, no, I'm not the owner. But I'll let Jemmy tell you the story later about everything. But oh my God, I was going to immediately come find Cassidy because Cassidy was determined that we were going to find her. But I said, no, let's go tell the guy at the auto body place first that we found her, because he took a flyer, the guy next to your apartment. He took a flyer and he was going to tape it for us. And so I wanted to let him know that we found her. And then jokingly, the guy said, so when I went back to the car, oh my God. Oh my God. Ah! Thank you for
Man.
Yes.
Tammy, thank you for all the phone calls. And
I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
you did as much as we did.
You don't have to
Yeah,
do
you
anything
did. Everywhere that I was posting, you
were there.
You were either already there or you were there after me. But I told Adam that if it wasn't for that guy that we talked to at the auto body place, you should have let her out, babe. Well,
No, she's eating right now.
I told him, I said, I want to give him some money, because if it wasn't for him
Reaching out to me.
That and
no,
then,
even
and
just
then,
now, if it wasn't for him telling us, because
Exactly
he
what
said, no,
happened.
I didn't see anyone pick her up. He said, the traffic stopped. I'm losing my voice. The traffic stopped, and he said that she came to about in front of his shop, and then went on a diagonal all the way across the street, just booked it. Yeah, girls, watch him for Jimmy, because I'm talking to her. Just booked it across the street, and she looked really scared. And maybe my turn. I'm so excited. I gotta make my brain stop for a second. He said, and then when the traffic started again, I didn't see her, so I assumed someone picked her up. But according to the guy across the street, as soon as traffic started, she ran over here. That's why he didn't see her, because she was so fast that she ran this way. And he said,
crazy. She knew where to go.
He said, the guy across the street said, I had to run so fast to catch up with her, and she was about to stop traffic again.
he ran right out.
And then I went to the car like that, and Vanessa gets out of the car, starts putting things down. She goes, what, Mom, what? I said, they found her. He goes, oh my God, I thought she was dead. I said, no, they found her. I knew.
And then he showed us her collar.
I knew that if I either found out she died or that someone found her, that's when all the crying was going to come out. But anyway.
Okay, so now we're going to follow him to his house so we can go pick up Paris. So we're going to go follow him.
I wonder if she's going to be all excited.
I wonder if she'll pee.
Out of excitement.
Yeah. Oh, here he is. So we're following him now. Woohoo!
And his son, Jared Monty, who is awarded the Medal of Honor. You can believe
We're here.
it was incredible, but
Paris is in there. Yay! So exciting.
Hi, Paris. Hi, Mama's
Oh my
here.
God.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Paris. Hi.
Hi. Oh my goodness. Hi, how are you?
Hi, man. How are you?
That's my mom.
Oh, your
You
mom?
were comfortable though.
You got a great son
Oh
here.
my goodness.
Taking care of me.
Look at her, look at her, look at her.
Oh, you're so soft. Did you get a bath?
Oh, did they give you a bath?
Yeah, he baby yesterday.
Hi, Mama.
It's just my brother. He used to have little puppies, and
Yeah.
I put this color. I have
Hi, girl.
more here in Houston.
Wow.
Like little ones, like-
She's all happy.
Yeah.
Hi, baby.
Oh, she would never, ever wander off like that, ever. She's glued to her all the time.
Wow.
Kitty cat.
Wow. So do you want your here? You can. I've got her collar right here. If you want her back.
No, you can keep it.
Oh,
You want?
no, it's. I mean, if you don't. I mean, I just.
I don't need it.
want
I don't.
Okay.
No, I mean this one.
We went in and pulled the money out for you.
No, I mean
No, no, dude.
whatever. That's fine. I just buy something for my kids.
Alright.
Yeah, there's 500 right there.
That's fine.
You
Thank you.
said 500, so
That
we
was,
pulled out
no.
500.
I mean, you didn't have to know. Otherwise,
No,
worth it.
you have no idea. I didn't think I was ever gonna get her back.
Really?
Yeah, no, I didn't
You
think
deserve
so.
it.
They don't get along anyways with this one.
Oh, really?
She doesn't get along with any. We have other dogs at home, one that's his and one that's hers, and she doesn't like anybody. She,
No?
if anyone gets close to me, she, barks
Like,
them
why you
away.
get
Yeah,
her?
she
Buy
gets them
something
away.
for you.
No, are you sure?
Yes,
Yeah.
We
yes,
don't
yes.
need the
I-
money. We
That's
I
okay.
did it to rescue her because I feel bad. It was running like crazy, and I was like, no, I had to get her because, I mean, I'm gonna feel bad because I know I can help her.
Right.
I was doing an oil change, and I was like, let me,
You couldn't let it go.
yeah.
Yeah,
she
no,
doesn't
But anytime-
eat
she doesn't what? She won't eat anything.
anything.
Aww, she's
She's
sad.
scared.
She threw up, like she threw up this morning.
Aw.
She threw
Oh,
up.
she threw up because she's so big. As soon as she saw me,
it's
she got
because it
excited.
thunders, I guess.
Here, Mom, let me take a picture of you.
Oh, here, get over here so you can.
Take a
Oh, you
picture.
have my phone number if you
Finesse,
need
come over
anything?
here so the light's hitting my
And have him take a picture with you too.
Right there.
Keep the money. It's
so
like.
happy.
Will you take a picture with
Yeah,
him?
yeah, sure.
Right, me too.
Oh, sure.
Maybe
One.
both of
Okay,
them.
yeah.
No, it's
Right,
oh,
something like that.
Sure.
1, 2, 3. Paris. Paris.
Collar.
Paris. Paris. Okay.
Awesome. Thank you so
Oh,
much.
thank you guys.
So glad
She
you bought
loved my son. She spent the night together.
Aww, that's so
Yeah.
nice.
It's just I feel
Thank you
like I
for
said I
being
feel
nice
bad
to-
because I put a little bed on
Yeah.
the floor and
I gotta check on
everything
picture
and
Okay,
a
yeah, yeah.
blanket.
Uh-huh.
But she wasn't still shaking. I was like, maybe she wants just to come on bed. Maybe that's the way she.
Yeah, she
she's
sleeps.
used
She
to.
sleeps with us all the time. She never
That's
sleeps
what I
on her own
want
bed.
to give you all the reward because, I mean, you're
Yeah.
good people.
Yeah.
Well,
we,
I appreciate it.
we envision somebody to, which is
But I
snatch her
believe
up
me,
and-
that's I don't.
who
I
knows
don't
what
do it
happened
for
to
my
her.
No,
heart
that's
like
okay.
that.
No, I know you did.
And I was like, maybe somebody hopefully show up or something or put
Yeah.
a flyer and just return it.
Yeah.
This morning I'm looking for we're looking for your house around the shop. I
Yeah.
went with the
And
She was
my,
looking for and see if there is any flyers.
And
oh,
and so we were just starting to put
we had
flyers
just
up.
made those.
Oh, okay.
We were gonna ask to put a flyer in your shop.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Right on the post
I had
office.
just made it this morning.
Yeah, they walk into the shop.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
came to a shop.
I went with
Hey, make sure you put a phone number or anything like
I
that.
know.
I know.
We're
You
gonna
have
do,
to.
We're gonna. We're
This
gonna,
one doesn't have a chip or anything?
No, that's what we're gonna
Yeah.
do. Monday we're gonna
You
go.
have
We're
to.
gonna go get a chip in her.
You have to because
Yeah.
something like that happens.
Yeah.
somebody's gonna call you for sure.
We got her, like I said, 10 years ago as a rescue, and they hadn't chipped her, and we just,
Yes.
she's never had a surgery or anything since, so we just never got her chipped.
I miss
I'm so sorry.
Aw.
Take the 500 and go buy one.
I got a little pug, like a
pug?
it's like a little.
She used to have a pug, and
They're really good.
we got her when
Really
she was
nice.
really little.
Yes.
What was I gonna say? Well, you're probably gonna see us
She's a
again
cool
because
cat.
I
She's
need
pretty
an
cat.
AC in my car, so maybe we
Well,
can bring it to you.
your husband, right?
Yeah.
Okay, he has my phone number.
Yeah.
Anything you need,
Yeah.
just let me know.
So maybe we
I
can
work
throw
right
some
there.
business your way too.
Yeah, no, that's
I need to get her AC fixed.
I
for
haven't
like
had an AC for like
4
3
years
or 4 summers now.
because I haven't had the cash to do it.
See, your
Now-
face changed.
Oh, did it?
One time.
He said
Oh,
his
yeah, the
face
dress.
changed.
One
Oh,
time.
sure.
That's
You want
okay.
the shirt
Don't worry about it. It was
See,
just,
I
it was
put
just
it. That's the bed.
Aw. It was too small for her anyway. I told myself that she probably wasn't gonna wear it
Oh, thank you.
anymore. Baby, we found you, baby. I was crying. Were you crying
She
for
took
me
me shower
too?
last night.
Aw.
She
I
was.
I was about to watch it, but I didn't have time.
Aw, and that would have been okay because it's really small on her
Yeah.
anyway. I dress her all the time in dresses and coats, and
You should see some of the stuff
she's
you
my
got.
baby. She's my baby.
Your baby.
Well,
Yeah.
I'm glad
Yes, I
Yeah.
do too.
you were able to find it because I know
I'm
it's
so
hard.
glad.
But believe me, let's say if he, for some reason I
Okay, keep
never
checking
find
on
you
her.
I am.
like that, I will take care of her.
Yeah.
I mean,
And we are definitely and
Well,
that's what
We
you
were at our
didn't-
son's apartment over there. We tell you we live way over
My
there.
son lives
Yeah.
across the street from his shop at the apartments.
uh,
And we were at
We're
there,
visiting
and we
him.
were there, and we were talking to the grandbabies and
Yeah, I've
everything.
seen the grandbabies
And
for a long
and I
time.
told him, I said, keep an eye on Paris while I'm taking videos of them. And we went into the apartment, closed the door, and I thought he let her into the
I thought
apartment.
she came in.
She stayed outside, and the door was closed, and she, I guess, wandered across the street.
yeah. Well, she
Yeah.
stopped the whole traffic. I told her.
But that's awesome though that
So
he
thankful
stopped.
Traffic stopped, and then thankfully
It
you
was-
ran out into traffic, man.
Yeah.
The thing is like somebody was about to wreck right there.
That's what the guy told
I
us
was like,
at the
what
auto
the hell?
shop.
What is
What's
this?
going on?
Yeah, I mean, and I saw over there, and it was the puppy was running like crazy. And I was like, don't tell me it's the puppy. That's why everybody's stopping.
Oh, you bit me.
Yeah, so it got like a line.
You bit me.
Yeah, I was gonna tell you that on Facebook. I wrote on there, whoever picked up my dog, just please treat her well. I don't know if your
Yeah.
intentions were to save her from the traffic.
And you know
or to
what?
keep
I'm
her
glad
or
I
to sell
find her because yesterday was bad, the rain and everything.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
man, if she
She
was
would
out
be-
in the rain, she'd be
yeah.
really freaked out.
Yeah.
And we were driving around calling her name. And we actually went
I
into
know,
the
I
shop. It was closed already.
Yeah.
Yeah, the gate was
We-
closed, and I
Right.
rolled down the window and I said, Paris, towards your shop, but no one was there.
We
so-
drove around the apartments over there and
Nothing.
talked to people and all over the place,
Yeah.
calling her
But
name.
don't hesitate. I mean, you have to put a name.
A
or
chip.
something.
Yeah.
We're gonna go get her chip probably on Monday.
Yeah.
Get a
You
new
need to
one.
get her. We used to have a name tag on her.
Yeah.
And
At least a phone number or anything.
right, we used to have it on there, and everything
Okay.
changed. We moved from Washington State, and
Okay.
then we did a new one on her.
Yeah, yeah.
Right
yeah.
now she's tired because we walk around 1
Oh,
hour.
you took her for a walk.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's just this is spray.
Aw.
Desperate.
She hates walks. we take no, we do it on purpose. We take her every night when it's already nice and cool, and she goes. I'll say, Paris, let's go for a walk, and she'll go and she'll hide
Can
in
I
the.
give you something for stuff? Maybe you can use it for fleece and stuff like that.
Oh, does she has fleas?
Yeah.
No,
Oh.
if you need it.
Oh no,
someday.
no, we're good.
You good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
no,
Because
no.
like I said, my brother he has two dogs, but he moved out
Oh.
and he left all the stuff over here.
Oh well, I mean, if you don't want it, if it's just
Yeah.
in your way, we'll take
You're
it.
gonna
But we don't.
Yeah, I
we're
mean,
good.
I
I
hope we don't have to.
Keep it just in case you guys need it. But yeah, I just made those flyers this morning. And you were only the second person that I showed it to. I showed it to the auto guy, and then I came to because he said his shop is here, your shop is there. He said she came here and then she ran diagonally
Like toward your
that way.
shop.
So I said, okay, I'm gonna go there then, which was to you. And then when I showed you that, you said you
Like,
had her, and I'm like, I I made 30 flyers and we only showed 2 people.
Really?
A flyer. Yeah.
I started this morning.
Yeah, it's on
We
Facebook.
were,
It's all over Facebook.
I was up all night last night posting on Facebook groups. I went posted on like 5 different websites and paid to like get the word spread, because there's one website where they'll
Every
actually
single
broadcast and alert to
site
all
I
the
went to.
veterinarians in the area.
Yeah.
Stuff like that. So I paid for like a broadcast to the veterinarians and stuff.
Yeah,
I was on the
but
phone
see,
this
nothing
morning.
this
I
morning,
called
I
30
went to
different
the
vets.
chat, and I looking.
No, because we had just made the flyers and we have the hammer, the nails in the car. We were gonna start hammering the pictures on the post.
Yeah, on the post.
But 4 years, I've already got 3 or 4 years without my AC, so I need. Oh,
There's
there's
That's
Sarah.
our granddaughter.
There she
That's our
is.
daughter. That's our
Oh,
granddaughter.
that's your daughter?
Yeah.
And the
There she
granddaughter. Okay.
is. There's
Well, you
Sarah.
gotta take care of
Babe,
your
can you film her?
dog.
Can you film her? There she is. Oh, it's my dog, but she's like, she goes, Grandma, you sad? You sad, Grandma? I said, well, if you give me a hug, I'll be happy. She's been trying to make me happy all day.
Look,
Aw,
Paris is
yeah.
back.
Take a picture real quick. Take a picture real quick.
Okay.
All right.
You
All
got,
right, we'll
hey,
get out of your
Paris,
hair.
can you say thank you?
This is
Thank you
what-
to Pablo?
Baby, you know what he did? She almost got hit by a car.
I ran like 2 miles.
He ran and ran. She was running, and Pablo ran after her and saved her and brought her home and gave her a bath and slept with him. He took care of her. Yeah.
Oh.
All
Thank
right.
you so much. Thank you
Okay.
so
Yay, we got her. Where'd you leave?
I forgot the little pink shirt on the coffee table.
Oh. You got your dog. You needed a leash, you little girl.
Oh, we have one. I just didn't think I needed one to go to Daniel. Wow. He said I have her, so we only showed 2 people the flyer, and we got her.
Yeah, yesterday he
Thank you.
she was riding in the middle of or running in the middle of
That's what he said.
Yeah.
Yeah, she saved her.
He wants us to text him the picture of us.
Oh.
Okay.
I need to open up the door because I can't stop her.
Oh,
She keeps kissing Mom
my
and
goodness.
she keeps kissing them. How
She
cute.
never kisses us like that. Oh my gosh, you should have seen her as soon as